My Hustler Fastrak has a problem starting. The engine cranks but won't start. While this could be a fuel or ignition problem, I strongly suspect it is related to the seat safety switch. Can you confirm that, if the seat safety switch is not functioning, then the engine would crank but would not start? This would be different than the park brake safety switches because I know from experience with that safety circuit that the engine won't even crank if that switch is not functioning.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shut-off valve open and the fuel clean?
Yes, on all counts.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
It depends how complex. If it were a simple issue like replacing the fuel pump or dealing with the seat safety switch, I would do it myself. If it is a more complex issue, carburetor, cleaning out fuel tanks, I would have my dealer do it. For a bunch of reasons, I'm hoping to be able to do it myself but will not go to heroic lengths.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The really important question for diagnosing I have is described in my first round of communication. If sear safety switch is not functioning, will the engine still crank but not start?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer.
Thanks. Is my question clear to you from what I already posted?
Seat switch will not affect spark, it would keep the starter from working. So you have something else causing no start. Remove a spark plug and with it attached and grounded to the metal of the engine crank and watch for spark at the plug tip. If it has spark, likely fuel problem. If this is carburetor engine, not fuel injection, it has a solenoid in the base of the carburetor that has to open as soon as the key is turned on. Does it click if you flip the key on and off?
Okay. Helpful. I'll check the thing out.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.